How I made £175 by opening a new bank account, and you can too. Recently, lots of banks have been offering cold hard cash to people just for signing up with them. They can do this because the average customer is worth way more than the amount that they're giving out. One bank is currently offering £175 just for switching an account to them. But there's a few steps, so make sure you don't miss anything. First of all, you'll need a bank account that you're willing to switch. It could either be one you already have that you don't use much, or one you open just to take advantage of this offer. Whichever one it is though, you'll need to have at least 2 direct debits or standing orders in there. When I did this offer, I just set up a PayPal direct debit and switched my phone bill direct debit over. When the direct debits are showing, you need to open a first account. The important part here is when it asks you if you want to switch an account, you say yes and use the details of the account you set up the direct debits in. Once the account is open, you then need to pay in £1,000 and keep it in there for at least 24 hours and log into mobile or online banking. Your £175 will then be put into your first direct account before the 20th of the next month, but I got mine within 3 days. If you want step-by-step instructions on doing this and another way you can make some extra money sent to your email, then hit the link in our bio and sign up to the Afterwise Make More Money challenge.